back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to add sound effects in Descript timeline. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So if you want to add sound effect in Descript's timeline, then all you gotta do is simply go to Descript. Once you're in your Descript AI, you need to use the built-in media library feature by clicking on the music button that is on the bottom bar. Or you can drag and drop your own audio files onto the timeline of your main track. Then you can simply trim your video, adjust your volume in the properties panel. You can use the lower audio of other layers, toggle for background music, and even add clips precisely where needed by dragging or cutting. So this way you can simply use these simple easy steps to add sound effects in your Descript timelines. You can simply find the SFX effects and different kind of music in it. You can also import your own sounds and you can simply do this. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for our next video.